2.3c, we're going to look at odds as well. So if I have the odds of an event, what do we remember about that? That is the cardinal number of the event occurring in ratio to the cardinal number of the event not occurring. Okay? All right. So let's say we have odds of an event and it ends up being 7 to 10. That means there's 7 elements and there's 10 not elements in the set of E. Okay? So how would we answer this question? Knowing this, how can we answer odds of not E? Well, remember the odds of not E is just the cardinal number of not E to the cardinal number of E, right? So what is the cardinal number of not E? We said it was 10, and the cardinal number of E we said was 7. So notice it just flips around. Okay, we're going to do another example that you had seen, but we're not going to make the whole chart. You saw something like this where the whole chart of rolling 2 dice. So there's all the outcome of 1 dice. Here's the outcome of the second dice. And we went through all the pairs. This would be getting a 1, 1, and so forth, all the way to a 6, 6. Okay? And we noticed we had 6 times 6, which is 36 possible outcomes of rolling 2 dice. Kind of didn't fit on there. Okay? All right. So we're going to look at now at the probability of getting 2 6s. I'm just going to write this to mean probability of getting 2 6s. Well, we only have 1 2 6s of all the sample space, and we have 36 in the sample space, so it's 1 out of 36. Let's look at the probability of getting the sum of 12. If we add the 2 dice, what's the probability of getting the sum of 12? Well, nothing adds to 12 except for 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay? So that also is 1 out of 36. So what's the probability of the sum of 12 not being the sum of 12? Well, that's just 1 minus 1 over 36, and that would be 35 over 36. Okay, the probability of the sum is 10. Well, let's look at the sets of these dice that we roll that would equal 10. I'm going to go over here and say, well, we know 5 plus 5 equals 10. We know 4 plus 6 equals 10. And we know 6 plus 4 equals 10. So we have 3 of these that equal to 10. So it would be 3 over 36. And that reduces to 1/12. Okay, probability of the sum is 8. The sum is 8. So let's think. Well, we know 4 plus 4 equals 8. What else equals 8? 5 plus 3 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Anything else? Yeah, 6 plus 2 equals 8. And 2 plus 6 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 of those out of 36.